Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll do a simple account navigation of the Reddit Ads platform. So let's have a look at this. So once you log into your Reddit Ads account, this is going to be the home page where you will be landing on. And this is the first page which you will see, which is the dashboard. So dashboard basically shows you the overall impact of the account's performance right now. All the campaigns will be lined up here. So you will be able to see their performance as well. As you can see, these are the metrics which you'll get to see numbers on this particular dashboard. You can change the time range from here to see data for different time period. Now, apart from this, if you want to create new campaigns, we can start from this plus create campaign button, and we can start building out a new campaign from here. Okay. Apart from this, if you go on the top left corner, there are different features which you can see over here. So the first is, again, you can do a campaign creation from this particular button. Campaign import is going to be a case where if you want to import your campaigns from Meta Ads, let's say you're already running Meta Ads and you want to run the same campaigns here, you can simply do that by importing them from Meta Ads right here. Then you have bulk import. Bulk import is primarily a case where you can import in bulk. So if you have campaigns, multiple campaigns, ad groups already created in an Excel sheet, you can just upload over here and build out your multiple campaigns in one go. So that's a very good thing when you have a huge client or huge account to manage and run. Also, you can do events manager. Events manager is primarily for setting up conversion tracking. If you want to set up the conversion tag, okay, you want to set up the pixel, which will track your sales, leads generation, conversions, then we are doing it from the events manager section. So we'll cover this as well in the coming videos. Audience manager is where you're going to create your own custom audiences. So if you want to create any custom audiences which interacted with your website, who have been to your website earlier and you want to target them with your ads, then we create those custom audiences from here. Report manager will help you to build out any type of reports related to your campaigns which you're running for data analysis. So once we start running campaigns, it requires us to analyze the data. That is where these reports can be really useful. It can download data in various formats, which you can then analyze. There is also the AI copywriter. So this is all AI enabled feature where this is going to help you to build out a new ad copy for your ads, which you want to write. So you can use this particular feature as well. Also, there is ad inspiration. So if you want to see some running ads already and get some inspirations from there, use their language. So all that you can explore right here in the ads inspiration section. Post library is going to be where you can see all your images, your ad creatives, video ads. It's like a library where you can keep all your images, which you can use in the future for your campaigns, your video ads for the campaign. All that can be uploaded right here. Also, so apart from this, you have account history. So this is where you will see the logs of all the campaigns which you have created, changes you have done. So it's like a timestamp log of changes which has been done in the account. Okay, that will be timestamp that will be recorded in this particular section at account history. There is also brand safety. So in brand safety, you can choose the inventory or the kind of content which you want to show your ads to. So Reddit gives you two types of inventory here, which is expanded inventory and standard inventory. Okay. Expanded inventory is a case where it will try to go ahead and show your ads on aggressively across various content. Okay. And it can contain mild to moderate profanity, content that references drugs or drug use. So this is a little aggressive content targeting which you're trying to do out here versus the standard inventory, which is primarily shows appropriate for most of the brands. And it includes inventory that contains discussions on broad range of topics, some light profanity, popular and rising trends. So most of the time, what is preferable is we can use standard inventory. Then apart from this, if you go further down, the billing section will show you your billing information, how much credit balance do you have on the account. Okay, you can add your billing information, all of it over here. You can change it as well. All that can be done from this billing section. Apart from this, there is a business section. Business section is primarily where you can also have a scenario wherein, let's say, you want to manage Reddit ads accounts for your clients. So you can open a business manager account. You can have a business manager account from where you can manage ads accounts, Reddit ads accounts of your clients. So you can have your Reddit ads accounts of your clients added over here. Okay, so you can do that and manage it easily. You can go through them, multiple of them can be added here. And from one interface, you can manage them very easily. So that's your business manager section. So these are all the features of the platform, guys, which you will get with Reddit's ads account. So going forward, we will be looking at various features of it as well practically, where we will be creating campaigns, checking out the other features. Practically, I'll show you how you are going to use them on the platform. Thank you guys for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.